Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So I'm a bit slow on getting this video out, but I thought I'm best to do it. So this new set of coins has recently been released from the mint, and it's in celebration of 60 years of Mr. Squiggle. So Mr. Squiggle was a TV show for children. Back in the 60s, but the mint have put out this coin set here in honor of Mr. Squiggle, and I just thought we'd have a closer look at this set. Now you can see here it's got a limited edition 1 cent coin. So if I can try and put a bit of light on it there, you can see there that it's got the moon. The moon's on it, and I'll try and bring it a little bit closer here so we can have a look at some of the detail. And it has a number 1 for 1 cent. It's the size of a 1 cent coin, and in a moment we'll have a look at the what's on the inside. But it's well worth getting purely for that coin alone, because you're never going to find anything like that in circulation. So as we don't have 1 and 2 cent coins any longer, so certainly collectible based on that there alone. Alright, so I'll just put my camera back for a moment, and we'll have a little bit of a closer look at it. Alright, so as we open it up, we can see Bill the steam shovel there, and Gus the snail, and Blackboard up the top there. So there's the other side of the 1 cent coin. It is dated 2019 and has the effigy that we currently have on most of our coins. So it's interesting that it still has technically the old effigy, as the new effigy is being brought in. But we have a bit of information about the show. Well, started in 1959, so I did say the 60s, but started in 59 and stayed on the TV until 1999. So take a look at that. And so these set is available from Woolworths currently, or you can get them from the Mint website or at the Mint, and $15. So there's $10 right there in front of you, $10.01 really. For an extra $4 or $5, certainly well worth spending some money on. Let's have a closer look at these coins. So there we have Mr. Squiggle, and he's got a nice $2 coin there. Bill the steam shovel. We've got there Gus the snail, and it's got each of their names on the coins there. We can see Gus and Bill, and it does have Squiggle, Mr. Squiggle written down the bottom, but that's on each and every coin. But and then last of all we have Blackboard, and they're all individually coloured as well. So the bonus with this is that we have an extra 2 $1 coins. Certainly the $2 coins can be found in circulation and are being offered through the tills, 1 each week for the next, I think it's the next 3 or so weeks, starting a week or week and a half ago with the first coin, and each week or so they'll add a new coin into the tills, so that you can collect them that way as well. And I have come across a few of the Mr. Squiggle ones when I've been shopping at Woolworths. So there we also have 2 commemorative $1 coins, and if we take a closer look at those, sorry about that, you'll see a rocket on there, and that's what Mr. Squiggle travels in to go back to the moon. And looks like what's going on there? Mr. Squiggle's got some balloons and stuff. I'm not sure. Anyway, everyone's in there. So we've got Blackboard and Bill and Gus, and we've got 60 years of Mr. Squiggle written on both coins. So they're $1 coins. And if we just have a look at the back of the coins, this is where it gets a little bit interesting, is that on the 2 $1 coins we have the new effigy, which is pretty cool. You can see that there. And but then on the $2 coins we've got the old effigy that we're all used to currently. So yeah, very interesting that the Mint have decided to do that. But yeah, well worth keeping and well worth collecting. And I really think this Mr. Squiggle collection is really a good way to get children involved in collecting. So if you're a grandparent or a parent, an auntie or an uncle, and I think children will certainly identify with this set and be well worth giving them a gift. Yeah, especially $15 only, and something that they will have for many years to come. And you never know, it might kickstart a whole new hobby, and they'll enjoy the kind of fun that we have with our collecting. So certainly well worth getting some and passing them out to any of the special children in your lives. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed this video, and I look forward to bringing you another one soon. Thanks for watching.